Hello guys, welcome to Fulbright Scholarship. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply for Erasmus scholarships. Yes, many students don't have familiar with that website from where they can apply for Erasmus scholarships. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply and who are eligible and what are the requirements for Erasmus scholarships. So first of all, you have to type Erasmus Mundus Scholarship here in Google. After that, you will see this is the original official website of Erasmus. Just click on it. You will see many websites here, but the original website, you can see lots of websites, but official website is this EU program for education, training, youth, and sport. So you have to scroll down this page, Erasmus joint master students, search and apply. Why to apply? You can see lots of requirements are listed here. When to apply? Now, in coming October, it will offer scholarships for bachelor's and master students. So be ready for applying here. So yeah, you will see. Last update is June 26 June 2025. So for scholarship for 2026, be ready. It will come in October. So let's watch here other requirements and how to apply. So there is also its website. Let's go here. So Erasmus, here is the application process and the requirements. The rank is divided into three parts: academic competency, including English proficiency based on our all assessment and documentation, motivation letter, works experience. Entry requirements. Here are the entry requirements of first degree equivalent to 180 credit hours or 180 ECTS from an international recognized university or college. Minimum 2 years practitioner experience in field of human rights. Practitioner experience may include regular employment, internship, or any equivalent. A minimum English language of English B, English 6 at upper secondary level of equivalent of an internationally recognized test, TOEFL or IELTS. Here is the requirements and here is the selection process. You also need to provide documents below as they used in a ranking process carried out by joint admission. Curriculum-wide CV and a 2-letter or a recommendation, which is called motivation letter. Here is the application. So please use the application checklist to make sure upload all requirements for applying to check list for application. So here is the link for applying the RMP. Key dates are October 2000. Admission is closed. Next call for admission will open in October 2026. So be ready for that. These are the process, how to apply, selection criteria, application process, all are listed below. When it will, Erasmus will announce scholarships, I will upload a video for you and we will apply from that thing. But this is the main website in which you can apply for Erasmus scholarships.